exercise 12.1. It's the question number 2. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter, and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? First of all, we are given the three sides of a wall, triangular wall. So let's note down. Let's start the solution. First of all, we are given the triangular wall and it's a three sides. So we need to mention the three sides of a triangular wall is R. Okay, they are R. Which are they? Which three sides we are given? They are 122 meters. So we are considering A equal to 122. B is another side that is 22 meters. And C is the third side that is 120 meters. So all three sides we have mentioned here. Now, first of all, it's a duty before we proceed for the area of a triangle. We need to find semi-perimeter, which is we are defining by S. S is a semi-perimeter. Its a formula is A plus B plus C by 2. Now, A it means 122. B means 22 and the value of C is 120. The sum of all these three is coming. Please do the sum. So if we do the sum, then we will have its the value is 264. Divide by 2. Half of 264 is 132. So dear student, the value of S means semi-perimeter is 132 meter. This is our first result. Once again, I am explaining here. As we are given that flyover in that triangular portion is there, the area of that triangular wall we need to find. It's the three sides we are given. It has A, the first side we are considering 122 meter, B we are considering 22 meter, and C we are considering 120 meter. So the value of S, how to find? That is A plus B plus C by 2. It will be 122 plus 22 and this is 120 which is divided by 2. So it is coming 132 meter. Now let's proceed further. So dear student, the value of S, what we got? S equal to we got 132 meter. Now, what is S minus A? Let's find here only. So our work will become easy. So this is 132 minus A. A means 122 meter. So 132 minus 122 is 10 meter. Let's move with S minus B. 132 minus 22. So it is coming 110 meter. What about S minus C? 132 minus 120, that is 12 meter. So my dear students, the three important results that is very important which we are going to use in our Heron's formula. S equal to 132 meter, S minus A that is 10 meter, S minus B 110 meter, and S minus C that is 12 meter. These values we are going to substitute in Heron's formula. Okay, so let's find how could we have the Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. So, my dear student, let's work out on the area of a triangle. By Heron's formula. By Heron's formula. Okay. By applying Heron's formula. So it is under root of s, s minus a, s minus b, and s minus b. So let's substitute the value. The value of s we got is 132. Inside this s minus a, that is 10 meter, s minus b 110 meter, s minus c is 12 meter. So dear student, how to simplify this? In that instead of multiplying, let's split it. Okay, let's break them to find their perfect square actually. 132 is having factors, okay, that we can write 11 into 12. 113 can be written as 11 into 12. Beside this here it is 10. This 110 can be written as 11 into 10, and this 12 is already here. You can see, dear student, I even split the 132 and 110 for our better, for our convenience. Now, which of them they are the perfect square? Just work out on the 10, 10 two times. So, can I write 10 square? 11, 11 two times. So, 11 square. 12, 12 two times. So, it is 12 square. So, all the way this is the square and this is the square root. So, square root will go away. So, we need to write 10 into 11 into 12. So, dear student, 10 into 11 into 12 is 132. Now, the product of 132 with 10 gives the result 1320 meter square. So, this is the final answer. By Heron's formula, we are able to find the area of a triangle, that is coming 1320 meter square. Okay. Now, beside this, here some additional question is there. Here we are given this much is the area we found. Now they are asking to find something in additional in the question. So let's work out upon that. How to find that? Yes, student, according to the question, we want to find rent charges. Okay. So in the same question, it is in continuation. We want to find rent charge. So it is given 5,000 rupees per meter square. Rent charges, that is rupees 5,000 per meter square, okay, for per year. This is the charges for per meter square per year. Per year means for 12 months. Agree? So we need to convert it. Here this is 5,000. Look at your screen. How to go with that? This is 5,000, and what was our answer for the area that we got in the by applying Heron's formula, that is 1320. Now, what about the month? For how many months we have to find this charge? It is we have to find for 3 months only. We have to find the charge for 3 months, and we need to find here it is for per year. So I need to mention 3 by 12. 3 by 12, why? Because it is 1/4 year of the full. 1/4 year of the full. For 3 months means it is 1/4. So here it will be cancelled by 4. So if I ask you to simplify this, then what do I have here? It will be 13. 130. So it will be multiplied with this. So what do I have? Let me check it again. 13, 4 1 cha 4, 12, 4 3 cha 12, and this 0. Okay, it's correct. Now let's divide 13 into 5. Product is 65. 1, 2, 3, 4 0. So it is 165. This is the multiplication. 132. With this, we are getting 165 There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros will be there. I'm dividing it again. 4 1 cha 4. So here 12. 4 3 cha 12. Okay. And this, let's simplify. I corrected it. So it is 330. It is not 130. It is 330. So 330 will be multiplied by 5. Please correct that. So this is the amount. This is equal to this much of rupees, 1,65,000. Okay. So 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Means 16 lakh 50,000 he has to pay as a rent for the advertisement. This much is charges he has to pay for the rent. This is the complete solution of question number 2. So, my dear student, exercise 12.1 is the question number 3 is on your screen. There is a slide in a park. One of its slide walls has been painted in blue color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in blue color. Very easy. Here we are given, according to the given figure, the figure is on your screen, you can see this much portion is 11 meters. So let me note down. Here this part is 15 meter, length of this is, and the length of this portion is 6 meter. Okay. And between that is written, keep the park green and clean. Keep the park clean and green. Like that it is written. Roughly I am mentioning for your understanding. Now, dear student, we are given the sides of a wall. Okay, sides of a wall we are given. So we need to find the area of a wall. So I am considering A equal to 15 meters. One of the side 15 meters. What is B? I am considering the another side, that is I am considering 11 meters. B. And C is the third side, I am considering 6 meters. Right? Now let's find the area of the wall. First, before we proceed for the area of the wall, you know very well, we want to have the value of semi-perimeter, that is S. What is S? A plus B plus C by 2. So let's substitute this value in place of A, B and C. 15 plus 11 plus 6 divided by 2. What is the sum? This is coming. The sum of this is coming 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16 meter. So dear student, the value of S is 16 meter. This is one of the solution. S is a semi-perimeter. It's a value we are having 16 meter. Now let's find S minus A. S is 16. What is A? A is side, that is 15 meter. 16 minus 15 is 1 meter. What is S minus B? So 16 minus 11, that is 5 meter. Let's find S minus C. 16 minus 6, that is 10 meter. So my dear student, these four values which will be useful in Heron's formula when we apply in that S 16 meter, S minus A 1 meter, S minus B, that is 5 meter, and S minus C, this is 10 meter. Now let's apply Heron's formula to find the area of this given triangle. So dear student, let's apply Heron's formula now, okay, to find the area of a triangle. So using Heron's formula. We know this formula is useful to find the area of a triangle. So we need to mention here area of a triangle equal. We need to write under root of S, S minus A, S minus B, and S. Now here, whatever the value of all these four terms we find, that we need to put. The value of S was 16, S minus A was 1, S minus B was 5, and S minus B, that is 10. So, as I told you, instead of multiplication, let's break them. So, we know how to break. 16 can be written as, can I write 16 as 4 into 4 into 1 is already there, so no need to mention. For 5 is already there. What about this 10? Can I write 10 as 5 to 10? Now let's make a pair. Which numbers are in a pair? 4 into 4, so it is 4 square. 5 into 5 is 5 square, but this 2 is left alone. Okay, so let it be as it is. Dear student, we know 4 square, so it will be 4 outside. 5 square, square root cancels, so it will be 5 outside. So, under root of this 2 will be left. 4 5 ja 20. So, 20 root 2 meter square. So, this is the area of the side wall, and in the question we are asked area painted in blue color. So same area is painted with the blue color. So we need to mention here area painted and painted with blue color. Area painted with blue color. What is that? That is the same area. So it is 20 root 2 meter square. Area, its a unit is meter square. So the answer is 20 root 2 meters. Very easy. Question number 3 is on your screen, dear student. Question number 4, sorry. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Right? So, my dear student, here we are given any two sides of a triangle. So, let's consider. Let's start the solution. As we know, the first side A I am considering 18 meter. Second, we are given that is B, that is 10. Unit is centimeter, so I am writing here centimeter. Okay, A equal to 18 centimeter, B equal to 10 centimeter, but the third side C not given, so question mark. Instead of that, we are given the perimeter. So perimeter equal to, we know how to find C. So we are going to find C equal to perimeter minus the sum of all three sides, perimeter minus A plus B. It means that the perimeter we are given 42. So, and the sum of other two side is 18 plus 10. So, what will be third side? 18 plus 10 is 28, and subtraction of this 42 minus 28 is 14 centimeter. So, my dear student, the value of third side is 14 centimeter. Very easy, because sum of three sides we are given 42. Two sides of them we are given, third we need to find. Very simple, very easy. So, my dear student, we got the value of C finally, that is third side 14 centimeter. Now, as usual, first of all, we want to find S. S is a semi-perimeter, that is half of the perimeter. Perimeter already we are here given direct here 42. So, half of 42 is 21 centimeter. Got it? If you apply A plus B plus C by 2, then also it's okay. If you apply that also, then 18 plus 10 plus 14 divide by 2 if you do, then it will be also 21 centimeter. That is also correct procedure. If not, then directly the perimeter we are given, and this is semi-perimeter. Semi means half. Half of 42 is 21. Now, let's work out on S minus A as usual. So, here 21 minus A. What is A? 18. 21 minus 18 is 3 centimeter. What about S minus B? that is 21 minus 10, that is 11 centimeter. S minus C, 21 minus C means 14, that is 7 centimeter. So, my dear student, these four values we are going to put it in the Heron's formula. That is the value of S21, S minus A3, S minus B11, and S minus C, that is 7 centimeter. This value we are going to put in Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula. So it will be area of a triangle that is under root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus. So my dear student, let's substitute this value. Value of S we got is 21 centimeter. Then S minus A3, this was 11 and this was 7. So again I am asking you to split here. Split whom? 21 can be written as 3 7 ja. This is 3 already there. This is 11 and this is 7. Nothing I did, only I split this 21 as 3 7 ja. So let me make a pair. 3 into 3, 3 square. 7 into 7, 2 times 7 square, and 11 is single here. So let it be as it. Here 3 is in a square, so it will be 3 outside. 7 is a square, square root cancels, so 7 will be outside. So 11 will be left in the square root. 3 7 ja 21. So I need to write this is 21 under root 11. The unit is centimeter square. So my dear student, this is the area of a triangle. The answer is 21 under root 11 centimeter square. This is the complete solution of question number 4, which is quite easy. So, my dear student, here exercise 12.1. It's the question number 5 that I am reading for you. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 7 is to 26. And its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. It's a 12 is to 17 is to 25. Right? It is not 26, it is 25. So let's work out upon that. So here in short, I have mentioned, you can see on your screen, ratio we are given is 12 is to 17 is to 25. And perimeter, that is 540 centimeter. We need to find the area. Okay. Now, first of all, here as we are given the side of a triangle is in a ratio form. So what to do? Whenever we are given this is in a ratio form, then we know that the side of a triangle we are defining by small a, small b, and small c. Side of a triangle we are defining by small a, small b, and small c. As it is given in the ratio, so I need to say a will be 12x. Okay, any constant we need to multiply along with that. Then b will be 17x and the value of c will be 25x. These are the three sides of a triangle. We know that perimeter of a triangle is, here we are given perimeter that is equal to 540 centimeter. Let's note down. Now perimeter, it means sum of all three sides. Okay, which three sides I'm talking about? A plus B plus C, that is 540. Now let's substitute the value of A, B, C. What is A here? 12x. B 17x. What is C? 25x. That is equal to 540. So here I have mentioned A 12x, B 17x, C 25x. Let's add all this. So here 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14 4. So it will be 54x, that is equal to 540. Therefore, x equal to 540 divided by 54. Fine. If we divide 540 by 54, then what will be? 10. X equal to 10. The value of x we are gaining 10. Okay, this is the value of x, that is constant, which we have assumed here. So let's find all the sides now. So you can see, dear student, through the given parameter, we have put the substituting the value of this ratio which we are given in the ratio form here, and we got the value of constant, that is 10. So now let's substitute this value x equal to 10 in A, B, C in place of x, and let's find each and every side of the triangle. So in place of A, you can see x, I am writing 10. So it will be 12 into 10, that is 120. 17 into 10, that is 170. And 25 into 10, that is 250. All the unit or unit of this will be centimeter. We know that these are the sides and it is given in the unit centimeter. So the value of A, B, C we got. Okay. Now before we proceed for the area of a triangle with the Heron's formula, we need to find the value of S, that is semi-perimeter. S is a semi-perimeter. What is S? S is a semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now, let's add all this, okay? Let's add all this. It means 120 plus 170 plus 250 divided by 2. So, what do I have here? If I add all these 3, then here 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 2, 14, 4. 1 carry over 3, 4, 5. 540. It is already given in the parameter. Directly also you can write that is divided by 2. What is the half of 540? 270 centimeter. Dear student, we know that semi-perimeter is the half of perimeter. Semi word indicate half. So already it is given 540. So directly also you can write S equal to perimeter divided by 2. That is 540 divided by 2. So the value of semi-perimeter is 270 centimeter. Now we will find the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Let's continue the same question. The value of S with us is 270. Now S minus A. 270 minus. What is the value of A? The value of A which we have found is 120. So I am mentioning here 120. Value of B, that is also 270 minus 170. And S minus C, that is 270 minus 250. Fine. So let's subtract and try to get the value of all these three terms. 270 minus 120 is 150. 270 minus 170, that is 100. 270 minus 250 is only 20. Is it correct? Now, using Heron's formula. All of you know very well. We are already well aware with the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is used to find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle equal to under root of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. This is the formula. S minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. What is s here? What is s? Let's note down 270. S minus a, already we found 150. What is S minus B? That is 100. And S minus C, that is 20. So this all three values, S 270, S minus A 150, S minus B 100, and S minus C 20, I have mentioned here. Okay. Now, how to work out, how to find the square root of all this big number. Now, as I taught you, instead of multiplying, better you split it. That will be easy and the shortest way. You know very well 27. Can I write 27 as 9 into 30? 9 3 are 27, and because of this 10, you can even split this 10 also into 10. Same thing is here. 15 can be written as 3 5, and this 0 means 10 extra. Let it be. 100 can be written as 10 into 10, and 20 can be written as 2 into 10. My dear student, you got how I did it? Once again, I am explaining here. Look at your screen. 270, it's the factors. I have written 9 into 3 into 10. 150, I have written 3 into 5 into 10. Got it? How to do? And 100 I got, that is 10 into 10, and 20 I have written 2 into 10. Now in such a case, let me make a pair. I am writing 9 as it is, and this 3 into 3. I am making a pair of this 3. 3 3 are 9. Same thing is here. You can see here 10 into 10. So let me write 2 times 10 into 10. This is the pair. I am trying to forming a pair. One more 10 with us. This 10 into 10. Okay, so I am mentioning it is 10 into 10. And here you can see this 10 is left, this 5 and this 2 is left. What about this 5 2 that is also 10. So can I write 10 into 10 at the last? Now, these all are in a pair now. You can see this I have mentioned it in a pair. 9 is a square. 9 square I can write. This is 10 square. This is also 10 square. And this is also 10 square. So in the next step, be ready for that. So the next step in that, let me write here 9 square. You can see 9 was 2 times 10 square into 10 square into 10 square. So my dear student, these are in under root. These are in under root, and so if we remove this under root, then all these square wala terms will be removed. So what will be left? 9 into 10 into 10 into 10. The product of all this is coming 9,000. So dear student, this is the area, and you know very well the unit for the area is square centimeter or a centimeter square. So according to the question, we need to write the final answer. Therefore, area of a given triangle given triangle is 9,000 centimeters square. This question is quite easy. Roughly, I am giving you one more time the idea. We are given the sides in a ratio form, so we have taken as a x constant, and first we found the value of x. Then we substitute its value in A, B, C, and we get the value of each and every side. In third step, we found the semi-parameter, that is S, that is 540 divided by 2. It was 270. In next step, we found S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. And then in the formula, Heron's formula, we substitute all these value. The final area we are gaining 9,000 centimeters square. Easy. Now, question number 6 on your screen, I am reading here for you. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. So my dear student, here we are given isosceles triangle. Isosceles indicate two sides are equal. So we mention isosceles. Here I am mentioning isosceles triangle, that is indicate two sides are equal. Okay, please note down this thing, two sides are equal. And here in the figure you can see I have taken triangle ABC. Suppose here ABC is isosceles and I am considering AB equal to AC. Two sides are equal. Which two sides? AB and AC is similar. And we are given the length of this similar side is 12 centimeter. So I am mentioning here it is 12 centimeter. Clear? Now, what is BC? BC we do not know. So BC is the third side that we need to find. Okay. So can I say A equal to 12 centimeter, one of the side, B equal to also 12 centimeter, and C we do not know, so question mark. And the perimeter of the triangle, its the formula is, we know that perimeter already given, that is 30 centimeter. So how to find the third side? A plus B plus C equal to 30. Therefore, in place of A 12, B also 12, but C we do not know, so question mark. So 12 plus 12 is 24. The C value is 30 minus 24. So the value of third side is coming 6 centimeter. This is the third side we are gaining. Once again I am explaining. Look at your screen. Here we are given ABC is an isosceles triangle which we have considered. Now two sides are equal, it indicates that let's AB and AC. Suppose these two sides equal, so I am mentioning this is 12 and this is also 12 centimeter. So what about the third side? We know that the sum of two sides, when we subtract from the perimeter, then we will get the third side. So directly also you can write the third side equal to 30 minus A plus B. 30 minus A plus B means 12 plus 12, that is 24. 30 minus 24, that is 6 centimeters. So finally, the three sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now let's work out and try to find semi-perimeter. So dear student, finally the value of A 12 centimeter, B 12 centimeter and the third side C 6 centimeter. Beside this, already we are having the value of perimeter 30 centimeter. So what will be the value of semi-perimeter? As it will be half of the perimeter. That is, it will be 30 divided by 2. So the value of semi-perimeter is 15 centimeter. So S equal to 15 centimeter. Now, before we proceed for the Heron's formula, we need to find S minus A. So 15 minus 12, the value of A is 12. So that is 3 centimeter. S minus B. 15 minus again the value of B is 12. So that is 3 centimeter. S minus C. So that is 15 minus 6. That is 9 centimeter. So my dear student, all the way we are having the value of S, that is 15 centimeter, S minus A 3 centimeter, S minus B 3 centimeter and S minus 3 9 centimeter. Got it? Now we need to apply Heron's formula. So let's see what can be the solution. So we are going to apply Heron's formula for finding the area of a triangle. Please note down area of a triangle equal to. So the formula is under root of h, s minus a, s minus b, and s minus b. So let's put the value. S is 15. We got s minus a was 3, s minus b 3, and this is 9. So we need to find now how to do. As I told you, instead of multiplying, better you split it. Okay. So if we split it, before that we know 15, let it be as it is, but 3 square, it can be written as 3 square, and 9 is already a perfect square of 3. Let it be. 15 is having factor 3 into 5, so we can't make a pair for that. So don't touch it. Now what to do? 3 square, the square root of this 3 square will be 3. The square root of this 3 will be 3 square will be 3, and under root it is 15 left. And we know 3 3 are 9 under root 15 centimeter square. This is the area of a triangle. This is the complete solution of question number 6. So finally we need to mention, therefore area of a given triangle, isosceles triangle na, area of a given triangle is 9 under root 15 centimeter square along with the unit, that is 9 under root 15 centimeters. Here the exercise 12.1 over, which is quite easy. Only you need to learn Heron's formula nicely and how to find the semi-parameter that you learn. Okay, the rest of the exercise quite easy. Just practice it again and again.